Alright guys, so I'm using Logitech mouse, and if you look at my cursor, it sometimes get, delayed reaction. And this is a wireless mouse basically. And I look at my mouse and it keep getting delayed. Although the Logitech hub, it said everything is working fine, right? Connection light speed, performance mode, battery level is good. Onboard memory is off. Okay, so the fix I found on the internet is you use a USB hub. So USB hub price maybe $5 to $10. So once you use it on hub, you don't have this problem. It's just because the wireless network from your CPU to your mouse that's the most distracting part, I think. So that's I'm showing you my mouse again, and this is my monitor. And I'm using this. So I actually bought a USB hub. So I have this USB hub. That's what I'm gonna use. All right. And my CPU is located over there, so I need to go behind where I put my Logitech Pro mouse. So all three plugged in. Let's take a look. My mouse cursor.